In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Resident Evil Requiem game executable missing re9.exe error and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here, and if you're facing this trouble, these are the steps you need to try. First one, go over here in the search. We need to type here for Windows security. Click on the Windows security here. Once you get into the Windows security, what you need to do is you have to go to the protection history. One of the reason why you're having this trouble, here the game.exe is blocked by the Windows antivirus. That is the reason. So what you need to do is you have to check how we can fix it. So all we have to do is just wait here. So if the game.exe is added here, you need to allow that. That is what you have to do. For example, you can just go over here, find the folder, you have to check by one, and you have to go to this one, go for here, and right now you can see this is called runtimebroker.exe. Similarly, if you cross check it, you will be having the Resident Evil Requiem.exe that is blocked by the antivirus. So what you need to do is you have to give allow to this particular one. That is what you have to do. So to do so, you have to go over here, click on the actions, and you have to go for allow on device and go for yes. Once you give this, you have to close this and go back and you have to check. Still there is an issue. We can go to the Windows security. There is one more thing. Go to Windows security here. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to click on virus and threat protection, scroll it down to the manage setting, add or remove exclusion, go for yes. You need to add the game.exe here. Once you add the game.exe, we can close this and go back and you have to check with the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, go to the library. So I'll demonstrate you with the example of another game that you have to go to the library and find Resident Evil Requiem. Then you have to select the game, right click and go to the properties. Go to installed file and verify integrity of game file. So this will verify the game file for the Resident Evil Requiem. And once you're done with this one, you have to go to the Steam, click on the settings, go to downloads, and you have to scroll it down and clear the download cache. Then you have to check. Still, if it's not working, you have to go over here, type here for PowerShell. Now click on the PowerShell as an administrator, go for yes. Once you get into the PowerShell, you have to just go over here and copy and paste the command here. Then you have to just press enter. The Steam will be up to date. After the Steam is updated, most probably the issue will become completely fixed. And these are the steps. And that's it. Bye.